Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Spring guys, NTSP 615. Class content NTSP 615. Spring Boot MVC guys. Spring Boot MVC I18 and file uploading. Yes, yesterday I was talking about file uploading and downloading. Everyone remember that? The process of selecting file from client mission file system and sending those files to server mission file system is called file uploading, and reverse is called file downloading, right boss? Reverse is called file downloading. Done boss. What is this? 12th guys. Okay. Right. Example application on file uploading, guys. Example application on file uploading. Right. Okay. Here is my browser, my dear. Here is my browser. This is my client mission file system, guys. This is my client mission file system, guys. This is my browser window, guys. Nice. Here is my form page, guys. Here is my form page. What is the form page? Okay. All right. Job seeker underscore register. Job seeker underscore register.jsp. Yeah. Job seeker ID will be generated directly. Job seeker name, address. Job seeker name, address. Right. Qualification should be selected from these guys. Select box. Selected from this. Next. Text box, browse button. Another text box, browse button. Here is my upload. JS name, job seeker name, JS address, JS address, JS qualification, JS photo, next one, what is this? JS resume. JS resume. Okay. Array in C drive, ABC folder. Okay. A.jpg is the file name, image, guys. B.txt is the text file. Here, what I will get, guys? C:/ABC/ A.jpg. C:/ABC/ B.txt. Here is my browse, guys. Here is my browse. In this place, register. In this place, register, guys. Tell me here. Server mission file system. Server mission file system. Right. Spring MVC web application, guys. Spring MVC web application. In fact, it is Spring Boot MVC web application. Now listen. Here I have E drive store folder, guys. Okay, a.jpg will be uploaded. Yes, guys. Here what will be there? b.txt will be uploaded. Yes, here all components, guys. DS, handler mapping, controller, okay, view resolver. A number of components will be there as well. DS, tell me here what is this? Handler mapping, handler controller class. What class, guys? Controller class. Here is my view resolver. Here is my view resolver. Yes, when you click on this, guys, comes here, guys. First, it will be written to server mission file system. Server mission file system, guys. Later, same information will be written to database table as record. Later, same information will be written to database table as record, guys. Database software, guys. Job seeker underscore info. This is a DB table, guys. Are you there, guys? Today I'm not finding you people active. JSID PK, JS name, varchar 2, JS name, varchar 2, no, JS ADDRS. Okay, now tell me, guys, photo path. This is a string value, guys. This is varchar 2, photo path. We are not storing, we are not taking blob. Are you observing this? Photo path, resume path. Resume path, right. Okay, JS address. Right, resume path, guys. Now tell me what happens here. JS ID 1, JS name Raja, JS address Hyderabad, photo path. What is there? /store/ a.jpg, /store/ b.txt. Here is my request, guys. Right. This is my DS, guys. Here is my handler mapping, guys. Hey, all these things will anyhow will happen, guys. Don't worry. This will come to this boss. First, they will be written to server mission file system, guys. 4. Then what? 5, guys. Their address paths will be stored here. Their address paths will be stored here. Okay, guys. Number 1, 2, 3. It will be written here. It will be written here. Yes, this is my requirement, guys. Exactly like this. Save the files in server mission file system, but write their address paths to this place. Address paths to this place. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes what happens, guys? Okay. Sometimes what happens, instead of this file system, they store in what? DMS software. What is that? DMS software. Document management system software. Right. They will be either that or this. They will be storing in DMS software. How they will be stored, guys? How they will be stored? A.JSP, A.JPG, 1A is the token. B.txt, tell me. 1B is the token. Understanding my statement? Kripal Singh, you are listening first time, muddy fellow. What donkeys you caught in last class, ra? Shameless fellow. At least he is not asking question. Sorry, I missed it last class. He is not questioning himself also. Okay, fine. Last class I introduced so many terminology. Not only that, EDN, DMS, S3 bucket, CloudFront, Google bucket. A number of things I have introduced or not. These are tokens, guys. Tokens. Tokens are tickets, right? Right, boss. Tell me what they will do. What they will do. Either that or this. Or 1A they will store. 1A. Or 1B. 1B they store. Either if they store in DMS, if the uploaded files are placed in file system. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. All these are cloud based. Right now we don't have cloud knowledge. That's why I'm going to take the database. Got it? We should have a cloud account, cloud credentials. Lot of hangama is there. Okay. If the uploaded files are saved in, but in one or other, before completion of your course, in one or other example, I'll try to use DMS or S3 bucket, boss. DMS or S3 bucket for sure. Are placed in DMS software. DMS or cloud software, cloud bucket, cloud software, cloud environment. Today we'll manage with these guys. Fine, boss. Now listen carefully. One more statement. Sir, for all these things, string properties we take in model class. What about to represent uploaded files, guys? Okay. Uh, what about to represent uploaded files? To represent the content. To represent the content of uploaded files. To represent the content of uploaded files of form page. Uploaded files of form page. Tell me what we use. Uploaded files of form page in model class object. We take the support of what is that, guys? Multi-part file, guys. Support of multi-part file type properties. Multi-part file type properties, guys. Okay, in model class, which are basically streams representing the content of the uploaded files. Content of the uploaded files. Understanding my statement? Okay. So we can take the support of output streams. We can take the support of output streams. What, guys? Output stream. Okay. To write the content to server mission file system. What is that, guys? Server mission file system. To write the content to server mission file system. Okay, server mission files. Okay, let it, guys. Okay, shall I give the steps one by one? Step 1. Create Spring Starter project. Okay, Spring Starter project. Create Spring Starter project, adding Spring Web. Tell me next. Spring Web, not Zoom API. No need of Zoom API. Spring Boot MVC gives built-in support for file uploading, guys. Spring Web, JSTL, Spring Data JPA, Lombok, Commons IO. Tell me next. OJDBC8, Tomcat Jasper, Tomcat Embedded Jasper, jar files. Tomcat Embedded Jasper, jar files, guys. Okay, some of them should be added directly, some of them should come dynamically. Yes, close all the editors, guys. It's going to be lengthy application. Please focus. Yeah. Which are the projects? Maven update, guys. Done. File new Spring Starter project, guys. Yeah. Now you realized why our student survival is easy in the company, guys. Whatever regular requirement comes in the company, we learn here as a daily classroom content. Okay. Tell me. 16. Okay. It's not mini project, guys. Yeah, I want to do file uploading and downloading in the same project. File uploading and downloading. Later we concentrate on file downloading. Where Java, say next. Lombok Web Oracle Driver Data JPA. Yes, say next. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. I think this is done, guys. Oh, what is the project? Why it is not coming? Oh, 016 has come. Let's take normal 16 only, boss. Right click new package. So first of all, let's concentrate on what is missed. Let's add more jars. Let's add more jars, guys. Okay, mvnrepository.com. mvnrepository.com. So there what is this? JSTL. Second one, guys. 1.2, guys. Copy this, my dear. Say paste. Next. Next, Tomcat embedded Jasper. Actually, for standalone setup, that is required, guys. Anything I can take in 9.0 version. Anyhow, version is not required. You know that. Scope is required, right? Scope provided. What is that? Provided. Scope provided. Still red mark? I think this is wrong, guys. This is wrong. Tomcat embedded Jasper we have to look for. It is just, this is right. Or anything you can take. Version you remove, scope you place, provided. Next. JSTL version you can remove, guys, no problem. It will pick up dynamically for that. Yes. Next, commons IO, because I have a need with what? IO utils dot copy method, guys. Commons IO, which is this is better. Version, guys. Right, version is optional, but if you place also not an issue. Okay. Let me put to Java version. Any issue with the Java version? Me when update project. I think I have to add servlet-API also. I think that's not required. Not required, guys. Done. Yeah, basic jar setup is ready, boss. Basic jar setup is ready. Let me add all necessary dependencies, my dear. Let me add all necessary dependencies. This is step number 1, guys. Tell me what is step number 2? Yeah, that is step number 1, step number 2. Okay. Tell me next one. Oh, no, not JSP creation. First, don't create the JSP, guys. Okay. Always start from backside, guys. Develop the following model class. Develop the following model class for persistence. Develop the following model class for persistence. Okay. Yes, boss. Now let's go for new package com.nt.entity. com.nt.entity. Tell me class here, guys. Tell me class here. Job seeker. Job seeker. Job seeker info. My entity class name is job seeker info, guys. Right now for form page separate entity class, for persistence operation separate. Why? Array form page says this data should be stored as streams. Database says I need string values. I need string values representing photo path and resume path. So I have to take form page model class differently and repository in model class differently. What do you say? I hope you convinced it, guys. So now this is model class for repository, guys. This is @entity. What is this? @entity, guys. @entity. @table. Name is equal to boot underscore JS underscore. Okay, info. This is my table, guys. Boot underscore JS underscore table. Next. Boot underscore JS underscore table, guys. After that, what is the next thing, guys? Okay, @data. @data to generate getter setter methods, guys. Yeah, tell me now. Private integer JS ID, job seeker ID. Tell me @ID, my dear. @generated value. Okay, by default it will take auto increment, guys, which internally uses Okay, identity generator, you don't bother about. Sequence, it internally uses sequence generator, boss. Yeah, string JS name, JS name. Yeah, column guys, length I would like to control, not remaining things. Length I would like to control. Next, private JS address. Yes, boss. Next, private. Tell me next one. String resume path. At the rate column. Length is equal to 20. Okay. String photo path, guys. Photo path. Length is equal to 20. My company using column names are why. Array, if property name and column names are not matching, then you have to use. When you want to take same, there is no need of taking. Right, guys. This is our model class, my dear. Anything great here? Data is there. Okay, okay. To string comes, everything comes automatically, boss. Yes, boss. Yeah, it's recommended to implement serializable, not compulsory. Implement serializable. Seriously, literally implements what? Serializable. Okay. Job seeker info dot Java. Job seeker info dot Java. Nice. This is serial ID will be generated dynamically, my dear. Entity class for persistence. Kundan Kumar, be in the classroom, ra. Entity class for persistence. See, generated value. JSID is dynamically generated. Step number 3. Develop separate model class for form page for form page data binding. Develop separate model class for form page data binding. For form page data binding, we have to take something else, guys. File save as. Okay. Job seeker data. Something else I am using. Job seeker data, boss. Job seeker data. Here, job seeker data dot Java, boss. Right. JSID. Okay. Array, this is just getter setter method. It is no way related to any table and other things. Here, what should I do? You know, multi-part file. Array, file may contain multiple MIME types, any MIME type. Resume. Okay. Photo. Here, what is the type, guys? Multi-part file. Multi-part file. Commons multi-part file. Commons multi-part file, guys. private multi-part file resume, private multi-part file photo, guys. It's given by Spring people. It's a given by Spring people. See the package. Right here, getter setter method, that is internally, these are streams, guys. Stream, input stream. Hold content of the uploaded file. That's it, guys. Here, array will take ID, but it's a dummy. Okay, maybe in registration not required. In edit operation, other operation, it may be required, guys. No need of taking any annotations, guys. This is for form-based data binding, boss. Form-based data binding. Okay, boss. Step number 4, develop repository interface. What interface, guys? Develop the repository interface. Yes, guys. Let's take. Achha, data is there, na? Data we will try to move to another package. Model kind of. Model package. Then it will ask me change package to. Yes, boss. Yeah, this one. Next. Done. Next, repository interface, guys. Package com.nt.repo. Repository. Fine. com.nt.repository. com.nt.repository, guys. Right, boss? Repository interface, guys. New interface. Tell me. I job seeker repo. I job seeker repo extends from what? Extends from JPA repository. Extends from JPA repository. What is the class, guys? Crude also enough, guys. Job seeker info. What is the ID, guys? Integer we have taken. Integer we have taken. This is job seeker info, guys. Copy this, my dear. Say paste. Done. Okay, guys. Next. Step number 5. Okay, at the rate repository is not required, muddy fellows. Why are you showing your half knowledge? How many days we spend on Spring Data JPI, guys? Today you are asking at the rate repository is required. Array, that is required for DAO classes, not for depository interfaces. Develop. Shame on you, guys. Okay. Develop service interface and service IMPL class. Develop service interface and service IMPL class, guys. Come back. Service interface and service IMPL class, guys. Service interface and service IMPL class. Right, boss. Tell me. New package. com.nt.service. Here is what interface. Tell me how to deal with interface, guys. How to deal with interface. Come on. I job seeker. I job seeker management service. I job seeker management service. Getting my point, guys? I job seeker management service, boss. Okay. In this one, I have to take one method. What is that? Public string register job seeker. Register job seeker. Yeah, where I have to pass job seeker info as the parameter. Okay. Then let's go for implementation class, guys. Hey, all these are known things, right? Job seeker in job seeker info, job seeker. Okay, management service IMPL interface. I job seeker management service. Hey, these are regular things, Babu. Yeah, what should I do? I have to inject it. How to make it service? This is how we have to make it service. Okay, are giving bean ID is optional, ra? It will take default one. Don't worry. Tell me, guys. Job seeker repo, JRepo, otherwise JS repo. Here is my @auto. Here is my @auto. Super, guys. Here is my @auto. Here is my @auto. Tell me here, what is this? Return JS repo dot save. JS repo dot save. What is this? Info dot get JS ID. Okay, get JS ID. What happened? Job seeker is saved. Job seeker is saved with this ID. Come on. Job seeker is saved with this ID value. Saved with ID value. This is service interface, guys. This is my service IMPL, guys. This is service IMPL class, guys. Yes, boss. This is service IMPL class, boss. Come on. Service interface, service IMPL class. Step number 6, guys. Tell me, what is step number 6? Now I would like to concentrate on launching. Service ready, repository ready, every background work is ready. Now I should think about launching form page, guys. Tell me. Okay. Launching. Okay. Develop handler method in controller class. Okay. To take implicit request and to return LVN for home page. LVN for home page. Home page. Yeah, we'll come to that. Acha, before that we complete this work. We do this later, boss. Add entries in application.properties file. Application.properties file. Application.properties file having data source configuration and Spring. What is that? JPA Hibernate entries. JPA Hibernate entries. We totally forgot them, right? We cannot forget them, boss. Resources, application.properties. Tell me, guys, what are the things we should do? Yes, someone is helping me. Yes, I think this is our style. JPA, right. Got it, guys. Yeah, let's not waste the time. Best value is this. Yeah, view resolver also will add. Part by part will add, guys. You should not look like we mugged up and writing everything. Okay. Application dot properties, my dear. Step number 7. Tell me. Tell me here. Configure view resolver in application dot properties. Application dot properties. Hey, what is mandatory? We only configure. What is this? View resolver configuration. Spring dot MVC dot what, guys? Spring dot MVC dot. Tell me what we have to configure, guys. Spring dot MVC dot view dot prefix / webinf / pages. Spring dot tell me MVC dot view dot suffix, guys, dot JSP. In application dot properties, guys. What we should do in application dot properties, we should add all this. Right, boss? Actually, one important thing is there. Hey, all these are for what? Embedded Tomcat, guys. Add entries for embedded Tomcat server. Add entries for embedded Tomcat server. For embedded server. Server dot port 4041. Server dot port 4041. Servlet dot context path. Servlet dot context path / what's a job seeker app? Job seekers app. What is that, guys? Job seekers app. Yes, these are the entries for embedded Tomcat server. Next, step number 8. Configure commons multi-part resolver in main class as Spring Bean using @bean method. @bean method. Come on. @bean method to activate file uploading mechanism uploading mechanism in Spring Boot MVC application. In Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application. This is very important. Are resolvers always there to activate certain things or not? Resolvers are always there to activate certain things or not? Commons multi-part resolver, guys. Commons multi-part resolver. By default, our Spring applications are not meant for getting streams file content along with the request. Because of this one, our Spring MVC application becomes ready to get file content along with the request. To get file content along with the request. Come on. To get file content along with the request, guys. Yeah, tell me here, what is that, guys? Public. Yeah, public. Commons multi-part resolver. Create commons multi-part resolver. Create commons multi-part resolver. Name is equal to. Okay. Yeah, I think this is yesterday's locale session. Session locale resolver is there, na, similar to that, this one, guys. Say docs. Say docs. Commons multi-part resolver. Servlet based multi-part resolver for Apache Commons file upload and above. This resolver variant delegates local file uploading library within the application, providing maximum portability across the servlet containers. Okay. Commons file upload traditionally parses post request with any multi-part type, supported methods and all this stuff. Provides max upload size, max in-memory size. Certain parameters also we can specify, guys. Certain parameters also we can specify. Okay. Right, boss. CM resolver. Yeah, here fixed bean ID you have to give. Multi-part resolver. Why, sir? Yesterday also I have given fixed bean ID. Simple reason, guys. We don't read this bean. We don't take this bean. It is taken by dispatcher servlet internally. Other IOC container setup internally. So those containers and dispatcher servlet expecting with certain name. So we should also provide with the same name. If we try to put some other name, it will think that this bean is not available. If this bean is not available, file uploading will not be activated. What, guys? File uploading will not be activated. Your application does not become ready for file uploading activity. Come on, guys. Your application does not become ready for file uploading activity. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, that's why I can say there are 3 places where we have to give fixed bean ID. While configuring my message source, while configuring resource bundle message, while configuring resource bundle message source, locale session resolver, and this one, guys. See, I'll give all these points. Commons multi-part resolver. Resolver is equal to new commons multi-part resolver. Super, guys. Now tell me. Resolver dot set max upload size per file. Are in Facebook? In Facebook, can you upload bigger size files, guys? No, there is a limitation. I want to see more than above 50 MB files. I should not be in position to overload. Yeah, 50 into 1024 into 1024. Yeah, it is going to be 50 KB, 50 MB or not. Resolver dot. Resolver dot. Okay, max upload size before upload gets rejected. Array, I want to allow any number, any size files for any count. All files together, what is the size? -1 indicates unlimited. Okay. Okay. All files together. All files together. How much size is allowed? -1 indicates. -1 indicates. What, guys? No size. -1 indicates what, guys? No limit. No limit. Resolver dot. Resolver dot. Okay, fine. These two are these ones, guys. Return resolver. Return resolver. Where we should write, guys? In main class we should write. Main class. Yes, this is fixed bean ID. Right. Resolvers are internally used. Resolvers are internally used to activate resolvers are internally used to activate certain facilities. Spring Boot MVC application. What application, guys? Spring Boot MVC application. Okay. Okay. They are internally read. They are internally called. They are internally gathered by calling, what is that? ctx.getBean methods. By calling which methods, guys? ctx.getBean methods. What do you say, guys? By calling ctx.getBean method with fixed bean IDs. So we must provide same bean IDs while configuring them. While configuring them. Yes, boss. Same bean ID while configuring them. For the following beans configurations, Spring Beans configurations, we need the fixed bean IDs. We need the fixed bean IDs. Yes, boss. Tell me, guys. Resource bundle message source. What's a fixed bean ID, guys? Class fixed bean ID. Message source is the fixed bean ID. Next. Tell me next one. Session locale. Session locale resolver. Session locale resolver. Tell me, guys. Locale resolver is the fixed bean ID, if I am not wrong. Commons multi-part resolver. Multi-part resolver is the, what is this? Multi-part resolver is the bean ID, boss. Here is my class, guys. Here is my fixed bean ID, boss. I hope you understood my statement, guys. Here is my class, guys. Here is my fixed bean ID, boss. Right. Resolvers. Mostly for resolvers, we do like this. Yeah. Now we will utilize this one, guys. Step number how much? 9. Develop handler method in controller class to take implicit request to return LVM to home page. To return LVM to home page. Yeah. Tell me here, what is this? Controller class I have to take, boss. Package com.nt.controller. New, what is there? What is there? New class. Tell me, guys, what is this? Job seeker operations controller. Job seeker operations controller. Here is what? @controller. Private job seeker management service. @auto. Okay. String. Show home page. Return logical view name. Welcome. There. @get mapping slash. @get mapping slash, guys. Tell me, guys, this welcome goes to whom? DS. DS gives to whom? View resolver, already configured. View resolver gives view object having physical view. So we should prepare welcome.jsp as a physical view here or not? Welcome.jsp as a physical view here. SRC main web app. Under web app folder webinf. Under webinf folder pages. Practice required, guys. New JSP file. What .jsp, guys? Welcome.jsp. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Easily ignored false, guys. Easily ignored false. Right, guys? I'm going for 2 things, guys, here. H1 style Okay, text hyphen align center. Center. Ahref. Ahref. What is this? Register. Register. Register job seeker. That's the one thing, guys. We have another thing also, my dear. Ahref. Yeah. What is this? List JS. List job seekers, guys. This I will use for downloading. This I will use for downloading. When I click on it, I should get a table having report. In the report, in the place of photograph or what? Resume. Download option should be there. What should be there? Download option should be there. List job seekers. Yes, this I will go for file downloading. Here uploading is required. These two are the hyperlinks that I want to take, guys. Yeah, let's come to this, guys. What is this? WebINF slashes, pages slashes. What is this? Welcome.jsp. For future file downloading operation. File downloading operation. In this example only, I am going to do file downloading. But right now I am teaching only for file uploading. Got the point, my dear? Yes, boss. Step number 10. Place handler method in controller class to show job seeker registration. Job seeker registration form page. Job seeker registration form page, guys. Go to controller class, my dear. Here I have to take a method. Public string. Okay. JS registration form. Registration form. Lazy loading for showing. Lazy loading is not there, my dear Sunil Singh. It's not a database. It's not a database. How can you think about lazy loading? Yeah, get mapping. Register. Is it a database, my dear? Is it just a form page? @ model attribute. What is the name, guys? JS. @ model attribute JS. Job seeker info. Job seeker info. So JS registration form, guys. @ model attribute JS. It is not job seeker info, guys. It is job seeker data. So I will take the name as JS data. Yes, guys. Tell me here, what is this? Return job seeker _ register. That's it. No need of service. This is only showing long page. Only to show form page, my dear. Forgot fundamentals. Yes. In controller class. Where is this? In controller class. Take this. In controller class, take this. Yes, like this multiple steps are there, guys. Okay, real maza will come tomorrow. Actual work we are going to do tomorrow. In today's class, only one thing at what I have to highlight is multi-part file, guys. Remaining everything is known to you. Each and every. That's the one thing I should highlight. And this multi-part resolver is new. Only these two things are bit new. Remaining everything are what? Decoration statements only for us. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. When we meet tomorrow, we'll complete uploading. I will launch a discussion for downloading. Thank you. Have a